if you see here, it is a sheet like school paper or the data entry sheet for a student. So suppose here is a name, this cell represent name, and here they represent role, and here remark. Okay, so sometime it's very required that our that upper all cell, I mean our that cell, they will be freeze, but our bottom they will be movable like that. So if I move that scroll or mouse, just see here, it's perfectly moving. Okay, so the name, role and remark, they are remaining at same place, but the rest of the Excel file are moving. So how I just have created that. In this video I'm going to show you that. So let's start. And before starting, if you're a civil engineer, then please subscribe to your channel like School of Civil Engineering, and also press the bell icon so that you get every update ever first. So first of all, I'll go or that file. So here is our, I have just created that file to show you. Now simple, see here, now every file are moving. Okay, in every direction they are moving like that, they are moving. But I want that our that 3 cell, they will be freeze, and they will remain freeze, and rest of part will movable. How we'll do that? They have 2 way. The first way is simply select that line like that way. Okay, that cell, I mean below that 3 cell, you want to freeze that 3 cell, just simply you have to select the next cell of that 3 cell. So here we have selected that. Okay, we have selected that, but remember that if your cell is single, then it's okay, it's you can do like that way. I'm just, first of all I'm going to show you that. So after that you just come here, view. Okay, just come here, view, then simply click here freeze pan. After that click here freeze pans, simply click here. Now if I move, just see our that part is freeze, but another rest part is moving like that, right? So I'll go for that, but I just want to show you something that I'll just unfreeze it, unfreeze. Now it's okay. Now I just want to show you another thing, that suppose here I have create box with respect to that 3 ABC line. Okay, ABC column, I have just created 1 column by using that merge and center. Okay, so when your format is like that, just if suppose you want to freeze that 3 cell, okay, just you want to freeze that 3 cell like that in that direction. So what you will do, as usual, you will select that line. Okay, and after that you will go view and you will click here freeze or pan. But if you move, just see it's working like here, and if you go that direction, it's also working here, not here. What is the reason of that? This reason is you cannot use that option when you have merged a cell like that. You cannot do when you have merged a cell like that. Then what is the solution here actually? Suppose if you want to freeze that 3 line, then what you will do actually? Okay, this only one solution. I'll just simply unfreeze that. Now actually where you want to freeze, suppose in that line I will freeze. Okay, I will just freeze that line. Okay, in that line I will freeze, and also that upper line will freeze. So simply we have to select that cell what is below that 3 cell and right of that column, I mean below the row and right of that column. So you know that this is column and this is row. So what do we have to do? We have to select that box, right? We have to select that box here. Actually we'll select that box. I'm just coloring to for better visualization. So we'll select that box. So if we select that box, just see here, if you select that line, these box are below that 3 line we want to freeze, and that box are just right off that line. I'm sorry for that. So just see here, our that cell is just right off that column what we want to freeze. Are you clear? So simply we'll select that point and we'll again go here, view, then from here freeze, then click here. Now see that if we go top, just see our the the 3 row are freeze. They have freezed, and also if we go that direction, just see that value have freezed. So in this way we can use our that option, that how we'll freeze some row as per our requirement. Okay, so that's all for that video, and if you think that was helpful for you, then please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon, because your response and your support inspire us for the next work. And in our next video I will just show you that how we'll create multiple drop down list. Okay, so in next video I'll just show you that. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video, and please do not forget to like our video and also share that video with your friends or anyone, and don't forget to leave a comment, because your own comment and own like inspire us for the next work, and your own comment and own like show that how success we are to help you. So thank you very much.